Meanwhile, rival parties condemned the communist state over the latest provocation. The ruling party called for Pyongyang to act with caution and to come back to talks. The opposition blamed the Moon administration's North Korea policies for the current situation. Mok-yeon has the latest from the lawmakers.
Though rival parties in one voice condemned North Korea's firing of 2 missiles on Friday, the ruling and opposition parties once again were divided on how South Korea should respond to the situation. The ruling Democratic Party says that the North should stop with its military provocations and return to the negotiating table, expressing concerns that such actions run counter to past combined efforts to bring peace to the Korean peninsula.
I don't think the North's latest launches will be helpful to Pyongyang and Washington's upcoming working-level denuclearization talks.
Stressing that improving inter-Korean ties need to be done by both sides, the ruling bloc claimed that North Korea should cooperate with open-mindedness. Meanwhile, the main opposition Liberty Korea party slammed the Blue House ruling bloc and the government for sitting still despite the North's repeated military activities. The party questioned Seoul's submissive attitude and pointed at the government for failing when it comes to both the economy and national security.
What's important at this point is not dialogue, but security. The lives of the citizens are more important than just words.
The centrist Bareunmirae Party also criticized the Moon Jae-in administration's North Korea policies, stressing that the government's dialogue-first policy led to Pyongyang's ungrateful actions, such as excluding Seoul from its negotiations with Washington.
The government should answer whether North Korea's missile launches and refusal to talk with South Korea are part of its peace-building process.
Other minor liberal parties, such as the Party for Democracy and Peace and the Justice Party, also expressed regret over North Korea's provocative actions. The two parties claim that such actions will not be good for both Koreas, and they urge the North to return to dialogue for peace. Mok-yeon, Arirang News.